Hi guys, if your Ninja Blender is flashing the red light like this one and won't start, it's usually a safety or alignment issue. So in this video, you are going to learn exactly how you can fix it step by step. So on the Ninja Blender, a flashing red light means that the unit is not properly assembled or locked. So the Blender won't run until all the parts are aligned correctly. So first of all, you need to remove the picture and place it back on the base. Turn it until it clicks into the position. If the picture isn't locked, the Blender will stay in the safety mode. After doing so, you need to make sure that the lid is fully closed and the lid handle is also pressed down. Some of the Ninja models require the handle to lock into the place before operation. So sometimes the loose lid will trigger the red flashing light. Now you need to also check the bottom of the picture and the lid for the plastic tabs or the sensors. If they are misaligned or broken, the Blender won't detect proper assembly. Even slight misalignment can prevent the startup. You can also then unplug the Blender and wait for at least 1 minute, then plug it back in order to reset the internal safety system. So you can follow these steps and your Ninja Blender should work normally again. Thank you.